Now in this lesson we're looking at percentages as fractions. Now the word percent means out of 100. And we look at this 87%, alright, that's the percent symbol. 87% means 87 out of 100. 9% means 9 out of 100. And even if we have a decimal, 12.5% means 12.5 out of 100. So whenever we see that percentage symbol, the percent sign, we write out of 100. Let's look at a few examples now. We're asked to change the following percentages to simple fractions. Firstly, 80%. Now 80% means 80 out of 100. That's the first step. Always write it over 100. Now we can see that that fraction can break down. It has zeros at the top and the bottom, so we can cancel off one of each, and we're left with 8/10. Now even that can break down. Can you think of a number that divides into both? Well, if you said 2, that's right. We're going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. So on the top, 8 divided by 2 is 4. That is over. And then we have 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So our answer there is 4/5. Excellent. Example 2, 57%. First step, write it over 100, so 57 over 100. And if we consider that fraction, we actually cannot break that down any further. Alright, that's the simplest we'll be going to get it. So we leave it as that, 57 over 100. 12.5%, well, we need to work with fractions. So firstly, the 12.5, we can rewrite that as 12.5. It is a percent, so we still write it over 100. So let's consider what we have. 12.5, we'll write that down. And over 100 means divided by 100. Now the 12.5, we're going to change that to an improper fraction. So we're starting with halves. Okay, we're dealing with halves. We have the 2, we times by 12, which is 24, then add 1 to make 25. And the divide by 100. If we think about the 100, it's 100 over 1 if we want to consider it as a fraction. So that divide sign, change it to a multiply. And the 100 over 1, can you remember what we do? We flip it over. It's the reciprocal we require. So we flip it over, 1 over 100. We then look to cancel down, and hopefully you can recognize that 25 on the top with the 100 down below will cancel. 25 goes into each. So 25 into 25 goes once. 25 into 100 goes 4 times. So we multiply now. 1 times 1 equals 1. And on the bottom, 2 times 4 is 8. So our simple fraction then is 1/8.